Hello everybody, welcome to the C.H.A.B.I.S YouTube channel and the Cool IT presentation channel. This is my computer workspace meant for servicing, repairing and installing computers. Everything which is ESD, electrostatic discharge sensitive, will be done over there at the electronics workplace. You can see in another video. Here I have more the task of installing software, testing things. The current project is a service PC, which is used for accessing the hard disks in a hard disk dock, for example, for copying or servicing hard disks and data, saving data and so on, transferring data. And the other one, the one with the antenna, this is a current project. I had to repair my LoRaWAN IoT gateway. The Raspberry Pi it contained tended to break down, and so I had to replace it with another Raspberry Pi. You can see the screen on the left where the gateway is now up and running and doing things. Here on the right you have mostly computer hardware, spare parts, but also a mix with some other general woodworking stuff, because it is a bit a mix. I store some things up here because my woodworking space is in the basement, unheated, and it's a bit of a problem storing everything down there. I have to find a solution yet, so this is a bit of transition. I also have screws up here and stuff which I can use for different tasks, also for repairing computers, but also for doing other stuff. Speaking about the woodworking and things like this, we have also a computer controlling the CNC machine. You can see there in the corner. So it's a bit a hybrid station, but I managed to not stain any customer computers yet, and I will not do it in the future. I will do everything dirty in the basement, and except for some sawdust maybe on the left, but I did not use the CNC machine often yet, and I guess if I use it more I will have to find a better solution. It's more or less stored here to make it run, or to make some tiny stuff which is not a problem. Yeah, room is sometimes a bit of a problem. But it also goes kind of hand in hand. The computer controlled machines, and the computers to control the machines, and the place to repair the computer are pretty much interwebbed, kind of interlocked. And here, speaking about other computer controlled machines, in front is my emergency package, my pack for when I go to customers to service their computers, and behind it there is a laboratory robot which I got recently. It was left over somewhere, and I want to find out how to program that thing, which I did not get very far yet because the programs and the software seems to be pretty proprietary and it's hard to get the hands on them. So yes, and here is just another depot of computers and machines. So if you think it's pretty chaotic, you may be kind of right, but here we have a strict corner which is not dedicate to something else than repairing computers, servicing computers, and so on. And recently I got a new computer for a customer, which happened to be my dad, by the way, but nevertheless he's a customer. And I had to install it, everything here, the software, testing the software, moving the data from the old computer over to the new one, and so on, and everything could be done here. So, thank you very much for watching. This is My Computer Service Workdesk.